gentle care. Soft, soft cotton, clean and white, makes our little wounds alright. Cream and lotion, smooth and nice, helping skin feel fresh like ice. Gloves on hands, clean and bright, keeping germs far out of sight. Thermometer says, check your heat, rest and water make you sweet. Masks and tissues clean each day, healthy kids can laugh and play. Lice pack cold upon your knee, now you smile so happily. First aid box is good to see, safe for you and safe for me. First aid box is good to see, safe for you and safe for me. Safe for you and safe for me. Safe for you and safe for me.
Hello kids, welcome to another fun learning video. Today we are going to learn about a first aid kit. A first aid kit helps us when we get small cuts, scratches or little hurts. Let's open the first aid box and see what is inside. Are you ready? Let's go! Look kids, this is a bandage. Bandage helps cover small cuts and scratches. It keeps our wound clean and safe. Bandage covered the cut. Wow, this is a soft cotton. Cotton helps clean little wound gently. It feels very soft and fluffy. Soft cotton, soft touch. This is Antiseptic Cream. Cream helps stop germs and keep cuts clean. We should always ask parents before use it. Clean and save with cream. Look carefully kids. These are scissors. Scissors help cut tape and bandages, but scissors are sharp. Only adults should use them carefully. This is a thermometer. Thermometer checks our temperature. If we feel hot or sick, it helps check fever. Check, temperature check. This is medical tape. Tape helps keep the bandage in place. Sticky tape helps the bandage stay tight. Stick it nice and tight. These are gloves. Doctors and parents wear gloves to keep hands clean. Gloves help stop germs. Clean hands, safe hands. This is medicine. Medicine helps us feel better when we are sick. But kids should never take medicine alone. Always ask parents or a doctor. Hand sanitizer. Look, this is hand sanitizer. Sanitizer helps clean our hands and kill germs. Rub your hands. This is mask. Masks help protect us from dust and germs. Masks help us stay healthy. This is a water bottle. Drinking water keeps our body fresh and strong. Drink water every day. Wow, cold ice pack. Ice pack help when we get swelling or bumps. Cold ice feels relaxing. These are cotton buds. Cotton buds have clean gently. They are soft and tiny. This is adhesive tape. Tape helps bandage stay in place. Sticky tape. This is tissue paper. Tissues help wipe hands and clean little messes. This is lotion. Lotion helps dry skin feel soft and smooth. Syringe. This is a syringe. Doctors use syringe carefully to give medicine. Only doctors should use syringes. Safety pin. This is a safety pin. Safety pins help hold bandages together. Tiny but useful. Look, a first aid book. Books teach us safety rules and health tips. And this is the first aid box. All first aid items stay safely inside the box. Kids, safety first. Safety tips. Always tell a parent, teacher, or adult if you get hurt. Wash hands before touching cuts or scratches. Never play with scissors, syringe, or medicine. Never take medicine without adults. Use clean gloves when helping someone. Wear a mask when feeling sick. Stay calm if someone gets a little hurt. Call an adult quickly in an emergency. Safety first. Stay safe. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids.